Hello viewers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing 6 amazing benefits of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, have been enjoyed for their unique, nutty flavor and impressive nutritional profile for centuries. These small, green seeds are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can significantly boost your health. Whether eaten raw, roasted, or incorporated into various dishes, pumpkin seeds are a versatile and delicious addition to your diet. In this video, we'll explore 6 amazing benefits of pumpkin seeds and why you should consider making them a regular part of your nutrition plan. Number 1. Rich source of nutrients. Pumpkin seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. They are rich in essential nutrients that our bodies need to function optimally. Magnesium, in particular, is abundant in pumpkin seeds. This mineral is crucial for many bodily functions, including energy production, muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. Ensuring adequate magnesium intake can help prevent a host of health issues, such as cardiovascular disease, migraines, and osteoporosis. Number 2. Powerful antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are compounds that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and contribute to chronic diseases. Pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants like carotenoids and vitamin E, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation. The high antioxidant content in pumpkin seeds has been linked to a reduced risk of various chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. By incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet, you can enhance your body's ability to fight off illness and maintain overall health. Number 3. Heart health support. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, making heart health a top priority for many people. Pumpkin seeds offer several benefits that support cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that consuming pumpkin seeds can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. By adding these seeds to your diet, you can take proactive steps toward maintaining a healthy heart. Number 4. Improved prostate and bladder health. Pumpkin seeds have been traditionally used to support prostate health, and modern research supports this use. The seeds are rich in zinc, which is essential for maintaining prostate health and function. Zinc helps regulate hormone levels, supports immune function, and has anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to prostate health, pumpkin seeds support bladder health. They can help reduce symptoms of overactive bladder, a condition that causes frequent and urgent urination. The high content of essential fatty acids in pumpkin seeds plays a role in maintaining healthy bladder function. Number 5. Blood sugar regulation. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, particularly for individuals with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. Pumpkin seeds can play a beneficial role in blood sugar regulation due to their high magnesium content. Magnesium helps improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to use insulin more effectively and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your meals or snacks can provide a slow and steady release of energy, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. This makes them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels and maintain overall health. Number 6. Enhanced sleep quality. Good sleep is essential for physical and mental well-being, yet many people struggle with sleep disorders or poor sleep quality. Pumpkin seeds contain several compounds that can promote better sleep. Consuming a handful of pumpkin seeds before bed can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to support a good night's sleep. This natural sleep aid can help you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. There are many delicious ways to enjoy pumpkin seeds and reap their numerous health benefits. They can be incorporated in smoothies, salads, baking, and even added in yogurt or oatmeal. Pumpkin seeds are more than just a tasty snack. They are a powerhouse of essential nutrients that can significantly benefit your health. From supporting heart health and prostate health to improving sleep quality and regulating blood sugar levels, the benefits of pumpkin seeds are vast and varied. By making these seeds a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy their unique flavor while promoting overall wellness. So, next time you're looking for a nutritious addition to your meals or snacks, reach for a handful of pumpkin seeds and harness their incredible power for better health. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.